The first step to download the installed Java compiler is to download JDK. Google JDK download, as you're going to see, download JDK. And it normally is Oracle website, download from Oracle website. When you go to the Oracle website, we have download for Java or NetBeans. Then click on JDK in download. When you click on the JDK download, then accept the license, accept the permission. When you accept the permission, scroll down to any other operating system that you have. Normally x86, which is Windows 32-bit, or 64x64 install the JDK. When you install it, click on run environment, then in run environment. But after you install in JDK, you're not going to see any icon on your desktop. You have to go to next stage, which is install jGrasp or any other utility tool that you try to run, such as Eclipse. Then click on the run environment and it's going to install on your default desktop.
Installing the jGrasp. jGrasp also is a compiler that you can use the IDE in the Java and run the class application, compile, execute a Java application. Click on the W, write this on your browser, www.jgrasp.org, press enter, then click on the download. From download you have to go put your email, your first name, your last name, and identify who you are, and it normally give you a permission to go ahead and download a jGrasp, and then you may save it or run it. Let's say save it or run it, and click on the run. Get the window to install, click on the install, click agree with the license agreement, and then go ahead and install the jGrasp in the proper directory in your C drive. In this program I'm going to save it in C program file jGrasp. After you installing, you're going to put the following icon in your desktop, and you can double click and open the jGrasp from your C drive, and then you're going to run the jGrasp for you. Here is the IDE of the jGrasp. You click on a file, open, for example, or create a new document, and you would like to create a new Java program. Click right here, type in your Java code. I have the exercise, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to open a Java folder, go to the chapter 1 and open my file java.payroll and click on open. You're going to open my Java file. Let me shrink it the window so you can see the Java code better. And I have my code right here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the run right here and run my file. As a result, you're going to see that it's going to run my Java code, and right here it use the IDE. How to install Eclipse compiler. To install Eclipse compiler, the first thing that you're going to do, you go to the website, the eclipse.org web tool. When you go into this web page, let's try it. Then you can download the Eclipse. Click on the download option, select your desired compiler. For example, depend Eclipse compiler, download for Windows 32-bit or 64-bit. You have different options. Click, let's consider my machine is Windows 32-bit. I'm going to download that one. You can have all other version. Click on the Windows 32-bit, download that one. It's going to take some time that you're going to download the Windows 32-bit. And when you going to download it, then you're going to have the following files save as location. When you save it and download completed, you're going to the desired location that you downloaded. like this one, Eclipse. It is a zip file. Right click on the zip file. You may use extract all, or you may use the open, and copy that one, drag it to a desired location, for example on your desktop or any desired location that you can remember. Extract it. When you extract the file, then you're gonna have I extract it to the directory Eclipse, and then in the Eclipse, then you're gonna have a Eclipse application. The type of this one is application. Then I'm going to double click on the Eclipse, and Eclipse asks me select the desired location that you want to execute the code. If this is the desired location that you want to execute your code, click on OK. If it is not, click on the drop down, select your desired location on your desktop, and finally click open. As you click open, you're going to end up with the IDE environment like this one without anything. The first thing that you're going to do, you click on the file new and click on Java project. On the top, click on Java project. You're going to open a project. For example, you're going to say hello world. You use the J2EE SE 1.6. If you don't have J2E, you have to install the JDE in your machine. But I'm expecting currently you're using the jGrasp and you're supposed to have J2E. So when you're putting the file name, project name is, you're going to put the name, and then you click on the open. I just type hello world 1. Then let me bring it up. You're going to see that I have the option. Then I click on the finish. Then it's going to create an environment for me, and I'm going to allow to have. Then I'm going to have the click on the file again, go to the new, and now we did the Java project. Then I'm going to expand this Java project, and now we have to create an instance of the class. So I'm going down next to the project, and I'm going to click on the class. I name it hello world 1 again. That's the name of my project. And then I have to click on the option right here, public static create a void main. That's what I want currently. Then I'm going to click to finish. So click on the file, go to new, go to Java project, and create a project name. Let's say HELLO world. Then click on the finish at the bottom, and you're going to create a project. After you create the project, you're going to see the hello world project right here. Now we have to fill it up the source. So what we're going to do, click on the file, new, then we're going to click the class option, and we're going to put the same name as we put as project. We're going to put hello world, and we're asking create a public static void main. Right here, this option, we checked it up. Let me bring it up again, this one. Then I'll click on the finish, and then it's going to create the hello world screen for us. Let's close some of this screen, we don't need it. Close this screen. Now we have to put a hello world right here. So we're going to say system output print line. And we're going to put our hello world. Now as soon we save this file, automatically going to compile it. and it compiled it, did not find any error. That's the right now we're going to run it. As a result, we're going to run it. You're going to show us hello world that it is in bottom of your screen. You will see it now. Thank you so much.